In this video, we're going to continue talking about parallelograms. We're going to look at an example problem here, example 1, part A. So the first thing we notice here is that we have a pair of opposite angles in the parallelogram that are marked, and we want to solve for angle X, and we want to solve for the measure of angle E. So be careful, because this is the angle we want to find here, so we'll have to figure out how to do that when we get to the end. But we know a property of a parallelogram is that opposite angles are congruent. So I know that 29x minus 2 is going to equal 27x plus 2. So I'm going to subtract 27x from both sides, so I get 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Then I'll add 2 to both sides, so I get 2x is equal to 4. And then x is equal to 2. So now that we have x, I can find the measure of angle D or the measure of angle F. So let's do the measure of angle D. So that's going to be 29 times 2 minus 2, which is going to be 56. And then since I want to find measure of angle E, D and E are consecutive angles, and we know that consecutive angles are supplementary, so the measure of angle E is going to be 180 minus 56, or 124. So the measure of angle E is 124 degrees. So as always, I recommend when you get to a certain spot in your problem, let's say we found measure of angle, or we found 2, ask yourself, did you answer the question? And you would have seen no, I want to find the measure of angle E. Then when you found D, again, did I answer the question? Not yet. Keep going, solve the problem. As always, make sure you write down your questions and get those answered, and we'll see you next time.